Howdy guys, so most of the time you see me with a cube right here, so like a cube to review, like this 5x5 or a 3x3 or any other Rubik's cube or any other puzzle. But today you are seeing me with a phone, but you may be asking to yourself, hey cube, what are you gonna do with a phone? Isn't this is a cubing channel, or have you changed your mind and made it a tech channel? So my answer to that is no, this is not becoming a tech channel because I don't know anything about tech, but I have a phone right here because I saw yesterday a video of Liam Thompson. Most probably you know him. He's like a cool dude. He makes great content. So he made a video where he did Fiverr. So if you don't know Fiverr, not Fiverr, but Fiverr is, this notification is killing me. I'm gonna chuck that phone away for a second. So Fiverr is just like Fiverr is like, if you have been on the internet, you know Fiverr, what is Fiverr. But Fiverr it is Fiverr, okay. I know what the spelling is, but I can't really pronounce it the correct way. I am pronouncing it like fiber, but it is Fiverr. I know the correct spelling. It is Fiverr, Fiverr. That is right, Fiverr. So basically what it is there you give money and you get something in return. Like if you want like a calm voiceover, okay, you can get that. Like literally anything you want you can get over there for $5, not a car. Okay, don't go and get a house for $5. You can only get services that can be given in $5. So okay, and so I thought that, and Cuban Encoded, one of very big channels, he also made like a video on Fiverr, but in his video most of it was like he getting reviewed by people on Fiverr. I thought I would do the opposite and be like Liam Thompson, and I would make my own Fiverr account and review people like that. I would review their solves. Okay, I'm going to review their solves and see how much I can get. And this is going to be a daily series, so I'm going to update you on this daily. So a daily video is going to come. So let's get to Fiverr. So this is my phone. Let me just put the password. So heavy in my phone, and if you are following with me, which you can do, if you are using iPhone like me, then you can go to Safari or Google Chrome if you have that iPhone downloaded. But if you are using an Android, and then also you can go to Chrome and whatever search engine, then type right there Fiverr. See, right, just like FI, done. FI is just done. You type in FI and comes Fiverr, and I'm going to go, and Fiverr.com is going to open. See, so literally you want to design a logo, you want someone to design your logo, done. You can customize your site, WordPress, and share your voiceovers and video explainers, social media, SEO, and all those stuff you can get here. It is like, I'm going to leave a link of Fiverr down below, and I think I'm going to download an app. Just a second, I'm going to download the app and come. So guys, I have downloaded Fiverr on my phone, so I'm just I'm going to just go back and so there's two options. You can see find service and become a seller. So I'm going to become a seller, and let's just go to work your way. You bring the skill, will make earning easy. A gig is bought every 5 seconds. Projects completed 50 million price range $5 to $10,000 a day. Create a gig, deliver work, get paid. Okay, continue. Join Fiverr. I'm going to join Fiverr with my Google account or my email. Okay, with my email. Okay, so I'm going to do that and come to you. So guys, my public username is going to be CubeCoo. So if you guys wanna check out, like if you guys want to like get your solves critique, I'm going to do that. You can just go over to Fiverr and check me out. So it is going to be CubeCoo, the big C, the small C. Seeing through this camera and also typing is very hard. And KU is going to be both big. K and U is going to be both big, and the password I'm not going to show you. So it is done. I have filled up all the things and I'm going to sign up. What? Your username should be between 6 and 15 characters. Okay, it is. No man. Okay, what I'm going to do is put like that thing that dash. I don't know what is called that down dash. This one. So you can see that down dash right there. That one I'm going to put, and all the other things are same. So it should work. I'm not sure if it is going to. Yeah, it is. I'm not sure if it is going to take this character. It has taken. Okay, I'm going to save the password because I don't want to be putting a password every time I come in. Become a seller. Build your seller profile on your desktop to start tracking. Okay, got it. Okay, I've got it. Now, where do you... Yes, save password. Okay, just a second. I am going to... Just a second. Guys, I am going to like... they have sent me an email, so I am going to verify my account and just going to come to you. Just a sec. So guys, I have verified my account and I'm back to... I don't know what to do right now. So, okay. Yeah, allow that. Fresh new looks. I have to take actions, press for previews and get all the information you need the way you need your collaboration fan names. Of course, due to instructions. I got it. And what is this? Turn on notifications. Okay. Most many order messages by request. My gates, my house. Okay, yeah. Okay, man. Could you show me that? So category, I don't know. Is that category be there? Press A. The tripod is shaking like crazy. Choose interests. Social media, brand your business, image editing, putting graphic, streaming on it. No. Just a second, guys. I'm again going to go and spend hours checking what one is it. Just a second again, guys. Okay, guys. So I have searched the whole thing and there's nothing. So I'm just going to put like others, and I'm going to save it for cubing or speed cubing. Which should I put? Cubing, I think cubing or puzzling. No, puzzling is nothing. Cubing, okay. So cubing is with a big C again. Cubing, okay. Save. So cubing is my interest. Yeah, of course. Notifications, okay. I don't have any. My interest, yeah. There's my interest. I think I've. Didn't I save it? What? Can manage order, post a request, general, online status, online, payments, white friends, okay, support, and then manage orders, all that stuff. Where do I get to put like that thing that Cubing coded had, like all the people who give notifications? Yup. Can't I get those? Why, man? Problem. Security? No, I don't need security. Nope. I'm not gonna show that. Terms and service? No. I can't find. Okay. Status. Okay guys, so after a lot of time I have managed to find that it was just in front of my eyes. It was post a request, and I was a big fool to do that. So I'm going to category. So there should be. If there's not, I don't know what to do. So okay. So there is nothing like cubing or how to, but there's lifestyle, and I think lifestyle, cubing, okay. And then subcategory, not gaming, online lessons, art and craft, no, not that. Your message on, no viral videos, no, others, okay. It can't be others. But what should I do then? It can't be gaming because cubing is not gaming. So what is it? Online lessons will be the best, I think, because I'm giving online lessons for cubing. So okay. So delivery time 1 day is okay. Okay, yeah, 1 day. And then budget, yeah, $5. No, I put $1. No, I can't put $1. $1. No, I can't put it. I should have put $5. Yeah. Now also I can't put it. So see, everything is done, but I can't put it because I have not put the description till now. So description I will add like these notifications. Don't give me those notifications, man. Discord, stop giving me those notifications now. So I am sorry if you can't see it, but I'll not show it to you. I am just gonna type it out and then going to show it to you. So just a second, guys. So guys, this is what I have come up with, and so I am good. So what I've written is, I am going to critique your average of 5 in under 24 hours, just to get that. And yeah, I have put, so if you see there, I've put 1 day, but actually if there was, I would have put like 5 hours or like 6 hours. Like if there was custom, I would have put like 5 to 6 hours, but there's only 1 day, so I've put 1 day. But in the description I have added, I'm going to critique your average of 5 in under 24 hours. I am a sub 35 solver, and I do it in the most professional and best way possible. You have to just send me your average of 5, and it's done in no time. Yeah, it's done in no time. And so now you can submit my request. But if I make it to $1, will it take? No, because like the minimum is $5. So what I'm going to do is just put like $5 because it is just like the lowest I can go. So I'm going to put $5 right now, and this is what I've written. And if I press submit your request, so right now I'm going to do like $5, and then when like I have like some reviews, like 5-star reviews, some 5-star reviews, if I get some sales, if I and to get like 5-star reviews, then I will like make it like $7, then $10, then $13, $15, like that. I'm going to grow it. So submit your request. So submit it. I think it should be done right now. Saved. I think it is done. Yup. Yeah guys, so it is done. This is just what I've got for today's video, and tomorrow I'm going to also post a video on this. So like, this is going to be a daily series. I'm going to post a video on this daily, even if I don't get any sales, then also I'm going to post a video. So like, let you know guys what is happening. And so that is all for today. Adios guys.